Good morning. Starting to get nice out. Sun's out, it's the low 40s right now, gonna be a 50s day. Gonna get up into the 60s and stay there this week. Minnesotans talk about the weather constantly. You know, it's what we all have in common. It's awesome. Anyway, I want to get started, or I should say, keep going on a project that I've been doing ever since I've lived here. I've been clearing this land. A lot of money that I'll never get back put into clearing this land. I hired a lot of people, or actually 3 or 4 different companies, to do the bulk of the work. I shouldn't even say the bulk of the work. I did the bulk of the work because the bulk of the work was stump grinding and clearing out shrubbery and that really painstaking stuff that just takes forever. They just come in with, heavy equipment and just lift it out and put it on a truck and haul it away. I would love to do that. That would be cool. I would do that for free. But nonetheless, I want to be able to ride my lawnmower in between all of these trees here out front of my property here. But I haven't been able to do that yet because it's taken a long time. I've been slowly clearing out all these stumps. There's a lot of them in here. Stumps. A lot of this stuff is too close to the trees, and I haven't been able to get my stump grinder close enough to get them out. See all that? And so that's why the main reason I put the backhoe on my tractors. My goal this year is to get this lawnmower ready. It's taken a long time to do that. I've thinned out all the trees here myself. They were just too thick to even walk through, let alone drive a lawnmower through. So this part in the front I did all myself. And this, among other things, is a goal I want to get done this summer. Lawnmower, everything ready. Get it so I can make it easy maintenance. That's the goal. So, yeah, that, and I get started on that today. I got to run some more errands in town. I want to get some more of my metal project finished. Yeah, busy day again. Like every day is. All right, another thing we have to do. Fishing poles, heck yeah! Let's get the boat ready. Hook her up. Get her charged up. I hope I got another year left in these batteries. These batteries are pricey. There we go. Hook her up. Yeah, I need to figure out which wires go where here. Should be easy enough. Oh, right there's a sticker, 317. So the batteries are, heck, 5 years old? Yeah, 5 years old, 317. Wow, that's pretty old. Well, they're Duracells. Let's try to see if we can get another year out of them. If not, we'll have to replace them. I'm happy with 5 years so far. Auxiliary batteries hooked up. We got some new stickers for this. I believe we do. We have an onboard charger here. Wait for these lights to get green. Hopefully it'll charge up. I'm gonna go to Batteries Plus. What is that noise I keep hearing?
Charging my Sonic Gopher.
Oh, Candy's charging a gopher getter. I was wondering what that noise was. I've been hearing it all morning. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Batteries Plus and talk to them about it. Now, I know what you all thinking. Well, they're just gonna try to sell you a battery. That's what they do. They're salesmen, blah, 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 blah. Well, you know, that's where you live. Here, they'll be honest and say, hey, you can get another 2 years out. Last thing I want is to be out on the lake and have them batteries die on me. That's, the times I go fishing Monday through Thursday, there's nobody out there to help you. So let's go. I probably end up replacing them. We'll see what happens. Batteries Plus, the only place you should buy your batteries. They stand by their crap. Well, it's not crap, it's good stuff. Product. Candy says product. Yeah, she's a good person.
I'm more diplomatic.
Yeah. And we got the one more, I guess.
Okay.
Well, it was $384. $384 for trolling motor batteries and the crank start battery, and he said they're good for 3 to 5 years. So, yeah, I did good, I guess. I don't want to be one of those guys, you know, one of those people out in the middle, you know, not prepared, you know, knowing your batteries are going bad, but trying to get another year out of them. I always say, like I was saying I was going to do that, but, you know, the more you think about it, I don't want to be one of those guys. Hey, can you help me? I can't start my motor. And all along you knew that it was probably time to replace them anyway, your battery anyway, and you're having somebody out on the lake drag you all the way back to public access where your trailer's parked. It's just, I hate to say it, I've done that a lot, towing people around because they weren't prepared, and it's usually a battery issue. In fact, it's always a battery issue. They're always holding up the line at the docks, you know, jump starting their boats, and I don't want to be one of those guys. So yeah, did I say that? Yeah, I think
about 3 times.
Yeah. I think we got her hooked up right. It does get confusing because there's so many additional wires in here for another battery. Let's test it out. There we go. Must be right. No more 517. Get that out of here. Fit on there a little bit snugger. Snugger, is that a word? Snugger? Get the negative on here. Cool. Sweet. All right, we got her plugged in, waiting on a full charge now. We're almost good to go. I just need to hook up my fish and depth finders. Let's dig. I think that's about all we're going to get to today. So, the welding projects, that's going to be put on hold. It's, you know, baby steps and all. See you later.